What y'all think? Cute, not cute, better than earlier? We about to get her and me together. We about to get us together in order to make this look good, okay? And me look good, okay? Let's do some work. I just did my hair. I know you're kind of like in an awkward position. Hopefully it'll, you know, do its thing. About to do my makeup real quick. Again, I won't be talking a lot during this part. I'm already late. It is 6:32. We should be leaving right now, and I just finished my hair and I'm about to do my makeup. So good news is it doesn't end until 11, so it's not too bad. Getting ready to go to a holiday work party, just in case I did not preface that in the beginning. I do apologize. Today's vlog is not really vlogging today, because most of today I edited the video and I woke up late and everything. I mean, it's not an excuse, it's just the reality of what happened today, and this is what's going on. So I apologize. Vlogmas, here we go.
Don't know if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Without you, just wanna
What y'all think? Cute, not cute, better than earlier? Okay. Listen, this is my gym garage. It's the only full size mirror we got right now. But this is it. Let's see if I can walk over this so I can get a little closer. Oh, okay, here we go. I know, you're in love with the shoes. They'll be in the description bar below. Super cute. Hard for us to see, but we're headed to my work office Christmas party. It's at the Hotel Derrick here in Houston. I haven't been to the Hotel Derrick in years. I'm super excited to see everyone. I work from home, so I don't get to see people, like see the peoples often, if that makes sense, from work. So I'm excited to see everybody in their regular clothes and all dressed up and stuff like that, you know. But see y'all. I got you. I want the rack. Would your hair look like that? You look like full of it. Oh, the flip. The flip. All right, guys. That is it. My hair is shot. But can you end the vlog for us?
See y'all later, everybody.
This is Editing J here. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of my Vlogmas. Thank you for participating, watching, liking, commenting, following. And if you're not doing that, you should definitely do that, just saying. But thank you guys for watching, following, liking this Vlogmas and participating. I really appreciate it. I haven't done this in a couple of years. I know I've said that before, like in the first vlog. If you haven't watched that, please go ahead and watch the previous videos if you need to get caught up. And if you're not already following us, please go ahead and follow us on our social medias. Let's get social, guys, and it's also in the description bar below. Thank you again so much for watching, and until next time, see you tomorrow because it's still Vlogmas. Bye.